The 2015 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.